Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cat in a Dog's World token. Ticker symbol is MEW. Now this token is a brand new token on the Solana blockchain. This is a Solana meme coin, and they are trending right now on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. They're trending number 2 right now on DEX Tools, and they are trending number 6 on DEX Screener. They are up 25,948% in the past 24 hours. Now, this token was only created under 24 hours ago, so it says around 14 hours, 30 minutes ago. This pair was created on Radium, and they're up 26,000%. And their market cap is $164.9 million. We're going to go over the information on the Cat in a Dog's World token, and we're going to see if there's any security risks on their audit, if they have an audit, if they have a KYC. We're going to check to see if there's any potential scam risks with this token here. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Cat in a Dog's World token. Ticker symbol is MEW. And so there's been a lot of very popular cat meme tokens lately on the Solana blockchain. Trending number 2 right now is Luhu, which is the saddest cat in the world. And so that token is trending right now. Looks like there's another one called Lola. That could be a cat that's trending number 4. I just uploaded a video on Pundu, which is a panda Solana meme coin that's doing very well. But then, yeah, there was another one. There's one called Cat Jam, trending number 10. There's Meow, Nubcat. There's so many cat coins right now on the Solana blockchain. And When is a very popular one, too. I'm uploading a video on that as well. That one's actually trending number 14 and 16 on DEX Screener. So this is like Solana cat coin season right now all of a sudden. All these cats. And maybe it's because of the When token, because that one did very well. And so all these tokens will follow. So they have a market cap of $163.6 million. And that is their FDV as well. They have liquidity in Radium of $18.5 million. And it does say it's locked. So that's the first good thing here. It says total liquidity locked at 99.99%. And then it says burned at 99.99% as well. So that's good to see. On their DEX Screener chart, you can see that liquidity lock verification if you just put your mouse over the lock button. So yeah, this pool was created about 15 hours ago from recording this video. You can find their webpage at mew.xyz. Real easy to find that. On their webpage, they have a link to Jupiter where you can buy the token. They have a link to their Soul Scan, Bird Eye, where you can also see the chart. And then a Get Started guide. So it says, Cat in a Dog's World, MEW. For too long, dogs have ruled the world. Powered by Solana, so they're partners, and they have links to all these as well. So Phantom, where you can get your Phantom wallet to store Solana tokens. SoulScan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Telegram, and Twitter. You can get the token right on their page, mew.xyz. They have a swap embedded right on their page. It's just basically Jupiter. You can connect your wallet and then trade your SOL for the MEW token using the Phantom wallet. And it says, I will save them all of them. It's the dawn of a new era. So it says they started with a total supply here of 88,888,888,888 tokens. It says burned LP. And then they're going to do some airdrops as well. So it says 90% of the tokens go to burned LP and 10% airdrops to the Solana community. So maybe that's why this token's popular. They airdropped a whole lot of people, just kind of like that MEW token did as well. Their Telegram can be found at MEW's World. 1,177 subscribers. Now, there's 5 decimal places on this token. They have 8,030 holders so far. And they are listed on CoinGecko. You can find them listed on there. So let's check out some of the security here on this token. So it's trending number 2. It's up over 24,000% right now. They have a link to UNCX where the tokens are locked. It says here they have a 24-hour trading volume of $256,000. And let's see if that's correct on here. On here it says $257 million. Oh, so it's a million. Sorry. That's all. I was thinking, how could it be up that much when it's only that low of trading volume? $256 million, not $1,000. I digress. So 47.38 pooled SOL in Radium, which is equivalent to 5.22 billion pooled MEW tokens. So they have a DEX score of 99 out of 99, so a perfect DEX score. They have a community trust score of 69.2% out of 13 votes, so that's just opinions. But then they have a quick audit, and that was done by Quick Intel Security. And it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. So all good check marks there, but keep in mind that is only a quick audit. That is not a full audit. You should always look out for full audits, KYCs, all that type of stuff. Full CERTIC audit or hacking, some of the really good auditors, you should look out for those. But as of now, I don't see any warnings. It says liquidity is locked and burned, and their quick audit is fine. But I wish they had more things to go by, basically. So it says their Twitter just joined in March. They have over 4,000 followers at MEW's World. 6 tweets so far. It says they're being listed on POLONIEX. You'll be able to get this token also today, March 26th on POLONIEX. Also BingX and LBANK. Wow, maybe that's why it's so popular. Just got a whole bunch of central exchange listings starting today. So you can get it off Radium, Jupiter, ORCA, BingX, you name it. POLONIEX, LBANK, etc., and probably more to come. Now, let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think it's a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.